Man, we are so blessed to be able to come out here. It drives me nuts that I see so much trash. Just people dumping trash. Like, dude, come on. Quit being bums and take care of our land. Good Lord. We are blessed to be able to just drive out here and enjoy silence God created, man. And people come out here and leave their crap. Better hope I don't catch you. Trying to keep people from walking out there.
Rails like that, they make excellent ambles.
Oh yeah. Definitely better bring the collar. Over the edge. And it went off like a gunshot. Slingshotted through my window and hit me in the face.
Oh yeah, that's a big mud slide up here. Don't come up here, Clicky. Nope, I went back down the road.
Don't follow me. doing good, dude. This is all part of the fun, baby. Gonna make some good video. Dude, get your Insta out. And you should be Insta in this too, while talking on the radio and backing it up. Yeah, you can take this all the way. Maddie, flex up on this. I didn't think this was gonna be that big of a drop.
How's it look on that side?
Same. Huh?
Dude, that's hella far down. I
Yeah,
didn't even look at that.
Yeah, I didn't think he was that far.
Kind of cool how you can see the creek bed though through the water. That's fucking clear ass water.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna be that. I was like, where the hell's the bottom?
See where I'm at? Matt, if you go down this little hill, there's another little campfire ring down there. We can get closer down to the water if you want. Head down.
I can't see anything. Oh. Oh yeah, this is cool, dude.
Is there a spot for a trailer?
Oh yeah. This is it, man. We're staying here tonight. Oh, oh, oh.
Dark fucking forest.
It's about 6 o'clock in the morning. We had some crazy stuff happen last night. We're up here in the Olympics at about 11:20.
Come for your soul.
Well, that's good. About 11:20, I'm laying there, can't go to sleep, and I can hear all of a sudden. I can hear something walking around our camp, clearly bipedal. Thank God I was smart enough to pull out my phone and start recording the sound. And it was on and off for probably, I don't know, an hour. Non-stop. On and off for about an hour. It would walk completely up past my truck, and then it'd turn around and it'd walk down. And I confirmed this morning with Matt that Matty had heard the exact same
You
thing.
got your radio on?
Yeah. And man,
Do your fucking lights, man? It's all goddamn daylight now.
yep, that's exactly the plan. And yeah, it was something else for like an hour. This was on and off. At some point, it sounded like it was probably 10 feet away from my truck.
Dude, this was such a much-needed relaxation time, dude. This trip, so worth it. Perfect spot down here. I mapped it on the on Onyx as the Wainuchi Lake camp.
Yeah, it was a good one. I do agree. Yeah. Anyhow, something else. Matt confirmed that it had walked up around his tent as well. I looked for footprints, but we're in like a compact grass and rock. So I didn't really see anything, but it's pitch black out. It was something else.
I'm just trying to provide some light for Clanky so he can get out, so he can back up. Okay, roger that. I appreciate that.
All right, fellas, I'm gonna roll up to the road here.
Yeah, copy that. But go for it. Yeah, if you just keep going. Keep going.
Well, on the way home, got some nasty weather. It was a great trip. The Olympics are amazing. Good place to spend some time with some good friends. Hell of a rainy weekend, however. And man, it was great. Minus something walking around the tent. Campsite at midnight. Man, that was crazy. That was wild. Anyhow. Crap. Man, we're so blessed out here. It's ridiculous. So much just land that you can just go and spend time and recharge. So important. The older I get,